What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing a startup of this new Generac that I purchased. It just got in. I have finished installing the wheels. I put on the handle here. Took longer than I thought it would. Got the battery hooked up. Filled it up with gas. I put non-ethanol fuel in it, 5 gallons. To start it up, you turn the fuel shutoff valve open, and that runs fuel up through here into the motor. This is a 4-cycle motor. On an initial cold start, you want the choke fully out, so I have this choke fully out here. This is your start switch, which I will hit shortly. Above here is your air filter. It came with an air filter already in it, installed. There's your dipstick for the oil. Yes, I have oil in it. And what's nice is that Generac sends you some oil to put in there. So 4-cycle small engine oil, SAE 30. There's a mode on here when you're starting it up, whether it's in the summer or the winter. I haven't found that yet, but it's got to be on here somewhere. Oil filter right here. This is where you fill your oil up right there. So let's go ahead and give it a go. It should turn over several times, like da 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 da, because it's a first start, so it won't start up right away. I'm not expecting it to, and then I might have to let go of the starter, then push it again. But I anticipate the second time it'll definitely turn on. So here's a cold start of a Generac right out of the box after some assembly. All right, here we go. All right, this is the winter and summer switch right below the choke. It says pull out for below 40 degrees, push in for above 40 degrees. So it's hot right now. It's like 96 degrees. So we're gonna leave that in. The choke's out. Here we go, we're gonna give it a start.